There is a saying among entrepreneurs, business owners, and investors that goes something like this: never let a good crisis go to waste. In this video, I will show you how you can take advantage of this coronavirus crisis that we experience right now, and how you can increase your Amazon affiliate earnings, whether you participate in Amazon affiliate program or Amazon influencer program. In this video, I will share with you the products, the same products that I personally promote right now and making money, and so can you. But before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this, to learn how you can turn your passion into a profitable business, or learn how to make some extra money on the side to support your healthy and adventurous lifestyle. And for those of you who are new to our brand, our network, our YouTube channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Paul, Extra Hyperactive, and I'm the creator of Extra Hyperactive brand, the only active lifestyle brand that helps people live a happy, healthy, and adventurous lifestyle without the financial burden. And as you already know, I only specialize in two industries: fitness and travel, and I have a lot of marketing niches in these industries, only related to adventure, fitness, and the outdoors. And if you had the chance to watch my previous videos, you already know that I tell everybody who is getting into online business or who is getting into marketing, any type of marketing, whether it's affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, network marketing, doesn't matter. I tell them, if you want to become successful, you need to specialize, you need to establish your marketing niche, and you need to position yourself as an expert. And the only way you will be able to do it is by sharing your knowledge, experience, expertise about the products that you promote, about the brands that you personally promote. Another super important thing that I keep saying all the time, that you need, no matter what you promote, which products, brands you promote, you always want to only promote products and brands related to your niche, right? But sometimes there's an opportunity like what's going on right now, when you can go outside of your niche, outside of your industry, and make some extra money. But again, it will only be possible if you somehow align whatever that you're promoting with your already existing business, with your already existing personal brand. And I'm going to give a few examples how I personally do it, and which products I promote that are not related to my personal brand, my industries, my niches, but how I align them with what's going on right now with the coronavirus. So here are a few examples. First things first, the so-called essential items, such as medical masks, gloves, goggles, hand sanitizers, toilet paper, and so on and so forth. Something that people are already buying. Again, I'm not promote these products. I'm not making any extra effort to promote these products. I'm just, because I know a lot about Amazon, how to find products that most people, believe it or not, they're unable to find these products. A lot of people believe that even things like products like toilet paper and masks, they're all sold out. And believe it or not, there are merchants that experience the shortage of these products, but those products are still available. You just need to know how to find them. Because I've been working on Amazon for a long time, for me it's easy. So right now I don't even have to promote this, don't have to make an extra effort to promote these products. All I have to do is, when people ask me, hey Paul, where can I buy medical masks or gloves or hand sanitizers on Amazon, all I have to do is just shoot them a link to a merchant that already have these products in stock. That's it. That's how easy it is. But it all comes down to one thing: is how much you know about Amazon, how you use Amazon, how you can find things on Amazon. Believe it or not, it's not as easy as you think. Lots of people cannot find even toilet paper or hand sanitizers or medical masks on Amazon, believe it or not. So if you as comfortable as I am on Amazon, all you will have to do is just provide links to the merchants that have these products in stocks, products that people are already looking for. And as I've said, masks, goggles, rubber gloves, hand sanitizers, toilet paper, food, canned food, non-perishable food, like beef jerky and something like this. Believe it or not, right now I see a lot of sales of beef jerky. People are buying beef jerky. One of the my favorite things that I personally use is from Patagonia, their beef jerky, like smoked salmon. Really great product, and right now people are buying stuff like this. Another example, right, is another brand that I personally love that I've been promoting for several years. It's called Mountain House. They specialize in the so-called MRE, meals ready to eat. Great brand, great products. They sell their products on Amazon, and they also have their own in-house affiliate program. But again, the only way you will be able to promote these products and make money is if you personally use them, if you vouch for them. Like I said, for me it's easy, and for me I don't even have to create the content or marketing content to promote these products like Mountain House, right? All I have to do is just direct people to my previous content on my blogs and websites. But this is just an example of how you can promote products that are not directly related to the crisis that we're having right now with coronavirus, like meals ready to eat, right? But in a way, if you're able to align these products, telling people that, hey, you know what, as a backup in case you run out of food or something happens, the supply chain gets disrupted. This is a great way to make money. Also, believe it or not, lots of people are buying tons and tons of top ramens from Amazon. This is amazing, but I don't know. Another example of how what people are buying in times of crisis, and how you can take advantage of this opportunity. Here's another example of a product that I'm not actively promoted, just for fun, but again, a product that might not be like an essential product that you can promote during crisis like this coronavirus, but believe it or not, and I'm telling from my experience, people are buying it. Here's a picture of some of the doctors, nurses around the world in New York and Italy who use full face snorkeling mask to keep themselves safe in times like this. As you might know, there is a real shortage of masks around the world, right? So some nurses, some doctors, they become very creative and they started using this full face mask, right? Again, this is not the product that you would normally promote, especially by no means, and I mean by no means you can say that this particular mask will protect you against this. Is definitely, like, you have to be brain dead to make claims like this, right? But it's just a way to say people that, hey, in case you can't find a mask, this is something to think about. This is an example how you can protect yourself in times like this. Believe it or not, most important, some people have never seen those masks. Some people never thought about using a mask like this in a situation, in crisis like this. And believe it or not, some people buy it because they think, this mask might actually work to keep myself safe and against coronavirus. And some people saying, you know what, this is a really cool mask, I can use it later on when this crisis is over and when I go on vacation. Some people never thought about full-face snorkeling mask as a mean to protect against coronavirus, and some people never thought about this mask as a way to later on use it for recreation purposes. Again, an example of how a product that is not really related to this crisis, it's not a real medical mask, but as an example, like, hey, you know what, if those doctors and nurses around the world use this mask, why can't you? But again, it's not about what you sell, what you promote, it's all about how you do it. Products related to survival, prepping, the so-called prepping is a huge niche that's been around for the past 5 years or so, and it's a very broad niche. There are different sub niches, mini niches, micro niches, and so on and so forth, and there are lots and lots of products to promote and make money. But again, as I've just said, it's not about what you promote, it's how you do it. A lot of preppers, especially right now, I have a lot of friends who are into this niche. They saying that right now it's like their golden time. They have the knowledge, they have experience, expertise. People are looking for their knowledge. People are actively asking, hey, what should I buy, what kind of 10 essentials I should buy. It's also a great niche if you're into backpacking or camping or hiking. You already know that the same products that you would normally use in the so-called doomsday, right, can be used for hiking, backpacking, and camping. So anything that related to survival, to prepping, any products that you can recommend to people. Again, you don't know how this whole coronavirus will fold out, what's gonna happen, what expects us in the future. So we need to be prepared. And again, it's not about creating fear, because like I said, it's not about what you promote, it's about how you do it. And a lot of people right now, as I said before, they're trying to take advantage of people, right? They're trying to use fear, scarcity as a tactic to sell people stuff that sometimes they don't need. And like I said, scarcity, fear is a known tactic among marketers, but right now it's not the right time to do it, right? Here's another example of products that are selling right now pretty well. Solar panels. Like I said, it has something to do with survival and prepping, right? And there are different solar panels. Some people are actually buying, I had a few sales of big commercial solar panels. A lot of people, believe it or not, start freaking out about not being able to pay their electricity bill, right? But most people that are buying solar panels, they're buying for personal use. Again, they think that this whole whole world, our whole country will go off grid. There's no electricity. They're afraid that they won't be able to charge their phones and laptops and so on and so forth. There are lots of solar panels, portable solar panels. Again, if you are a hiker, backpacker, camper, there is a chance you already use them, right? I've been using solar panels since 2012-13 probably. Whenever I go on road trips, I have a few different sizes of solar panels, and right now people are looking for solar panels or anything that have to do with substitute for electricity. Candles are being sold, flashlights are being sold, and so on and so forth. Fire pits. But solar panels is something that you can promote and sell right now. And you can also tell people that even when this crisis is over, they still be able to use this solar panel as a backup energy source, right? So a solar panel and chargers, this portable charging stations, again, something that I've used before. Great products to promote right now and make extra money. And finally, last suggestion, recommendation from me. This is something I'm still relatively new to, CBD products. It's a new niche that I'm still learning as much as possible. And again, this is the example of a niche in products that I really been how can I put lots of, like I said, lots of bad players, lots of bad people, online marketers are trying to take advantage of this situation, and they're trying to push CBD products as an effective way to prevent or to heal even coronavirus. And this is a sure way to get banned from Amazon, right? This is a sure way to ruin your personal brand and your business. Luckily, there are not that many people, and I know for a fact that those who promote the CBD products right now, making these false claims, they're not gonna be in the industry or in marketing for a long time. But if you know anything about CBD and how CBD products can help people, and they can help, not directly, right? But there is a way to promote CBD products and help people to get healthier or stay healthier, especially in times like this. CBD products will really help me to stay healthy, especially nowadays when I can't go to a gym. But as I said, this is especially if you know anything about CBD hemp, you know that right now it's it's a very tough industry, it's a very tough niche to get into. It's still considered to be a controlled substance, right? But if you do go on Amazon and you type in CBD products, you will see a lot of options. Most products are labeled as hemp based products, right? And later on, when they will ease up the regulations for CBD products, it will be a huge boom. So right now it's a great opportunity for you to learn about CBD products, to get into this industry, this marketing niche, and position yourself as an expert. But only if you take time to learn. If you personally use these products like myself, and then you would be able to make money promoting these products now and later on. It's a great niche. I definitely recommend it. And in conclusion, I want to say the same thing that I always say. It's not about what you sell, what you promote. It's all about how you do it. Without at least the basic understanding of business and marketing, you won't be able to make money. Not during times like this, not when there is an opportunity to make extra money, not in the later on. You absolutely must know at least the basics of business and marketing, and you need to have a strong personal brand. I can't stress it enough. You cannot hide behind your website or blog or your social media channels. You need to put yourself out there. You need to show people who you are, what you know, and how you can help them. As I said before, business and marketing are constantly changing, constantly evolving. What worked a few years ago, a few months ago, might not work today, might not even exist today. So you need to stay updated to what's going on in business and marketing and branding in general, and business and marketing related to your industry, related to your marketing niche. And as I always say, if you have questions, I'm always here. I try to make myself as accessible as possible. You can reach me directly on one of my social media channels, or you can shoot me an email. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.